Lauren at VTO Labs. My trick for you today is when you are identifying chips on a circuit board, sometimes it is difficult to see the characters that are laser etched onto the chip. So I can move it around and try to get a glare from the light, but it's really difficult to read. In order to make those characters more visible, we like to use whiteout and isopropyl alcohol with a little Q-tip. So I will take my whiteout, paint it on the entire chip, then I squirt a little bit of my alcohol on my Q-tip, I rub it on the chip, and what you're left with is the whiteout that is inside of the laser etching, and we have removed the whiteout from around it so you can see the characters a lot more easily.